Bagong trend, Burikat. Titignan natin yung bagong trend ngayon. Okay?
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those days were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening. But the boy takes my time.
Agay! Try natin! Try natin, ha! Ita-try natin! Burikat! Ita-try natin sa'yo, Burikat, ha? Yung kung fu fighting. Ha? Sumabay ka sa akin! Okay? Nakita mo yung aso na yun, Burikat? Nag-kung fu fighting sila doon. Ha? Tayo din. Ha? Sasabay tayo doon. Okay?
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those days were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening. But the boy takes my time.
Hoy! Burikat, kung fu fighting! Ha? Hindi ganyan! Hoy, Burikat! Diyos ko! Kung fu fighting, hoy! Kung fu fighting! Ginoo ko! Kung fu fighting yung gagawin mo! Hindi ganyan!
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those days were fast as lightning.
Ganun pa din eh! Mag-kung fu fighting tayong dalawa! Mag-kung fu fighting tayo, di ba? Doon, isasayaw natin! Ha? Bawal ganon! Isayaw natin! Kung fu fighting yun, ha? Magkukung fu tayo! Hindi ako yung ikukung fu mo! Sayaw yan! Burikat! Sayaw yan! But it's kung fu fighting! Ganon! Ganon gawin mo! Burikat, paano tayo sasabay sa trend nun kung yung kung fu fighting mo iba? Iba yung kung fu fighting yung pinapakita mo sa kanila eh.
Pastilan.
Ah! Burikat! Hoy! Hoy! Ginoo Maria! Ba't ganyan?
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those days were fast as lightning.
Kung fu fighting! Ha! Doing fastest lightning! Wala na tayong nagawang